Um, this video will show how through any link you will be able to access a meeting for which you have been invited. So basically, first of all, you have to check whether you have the Zoom application installed in your phone or not. So you first of all, this is your home screen. You go on the bottom left side or somewhere, there will be an icon with the dots. Like in my case, bottom right hand side, there is a gray icon with 9 dots in it. I click it and I go into the applications. Over here I will search if I have the Zoom app installed or not. So over here I look and search. So I have find it here. If the Zoom application is installed in your phone, then it is well and good. So you have the Zoom application. If it is not installed, then you go on to the Play Store and you over here type Zoom and you download this Zoom application from here. In my case, I've already downloaded it, so it gives me an option of open and not download. So this is the first. Once you have downloaded the Zoom, then what you will do is, in case someone has sent you an email, in that email, if you have received the link, you open that. Or in case you have received the link in your WhatsApp, in this case, for example, this is my WhatsApp and I have received the link yesterday. Like for example, I have received this link. Okay, so I will go on this link and then I will click it. Once I click the link, it automatically is going to open in this link into the Zoom and show me that it is preparing the meeting. And then after preparing the meeting, because the meeting has not started or the host has not started the meeting, it will tell me wait for the host to start the meeting. Once the host starts the meeting, the host will have an option to let me inside and allow me inside the meeting or the group. If they allow, I will be able to. Now, in case, for example, this option comes and you are not signed in, then you will and the host says that they are not finding any option of you waiting or you being prompted to let you inside the meeting, then you will click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it will ask you your email address and password, or it will say sign in with Google or Facebook. So for ease of access, you can just click on Facebook and you can just sign in to the Zoom through by using the Facebook account. So it says that Zoom will launch within a few seconds and I'm using my Facebook to launch Zoom. So I say click launch Zoom and it is trying to connect, and this way it is connecting still. Now it is preparing the meeting again, and after I do this procedure and the meeting is going to be starting, I must be inside the meeting by now. So this is the process of joining a meeting through Zoom. Right now I'm going to leave the meeting, cancel. So this is how I will be inside the meeting. Or another way to join a meeting is, you go onto your Zoom application from your applications, you open the Zoom, and then this gives you options: new meeting, join, schedule, share screen on the top. So you click on join and you need a meeting ID. You can ask a meeting ID from any member that what is the meeting ID of the meeting you want to join. Over here you will type the meeting ID and then you will click on join meeting and you will automatically be able to enter the meeting like this. So this is the second way to join the meeting. I hope this will help. For any problems, please let me know.